Okay, now I want to show you how to construct a hexagon in a circle, given the length of side. Give the length of side. So let's say the length of side given is 30 mm. The length of side given is 30 mm. So what you need to do is to multiply 30 by 2, which will give you 60 mm. So that 60 mm is the diameter of the circle that you will use to construct that hexagon. What I'm saying is this. I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a line here. Okay, on this line, I'm going to take the length of the side of the rectangle of the hexagon, which is 30 mm. So that 30 mm, I will use it to construct a circle. I will take 30 mm and I will use to draw a circle. Okay, so I will put it at this point and I will draw a circle. So I want to make it clear. Okay, so this is the circle. This is the circle. So the diameter of this circle is 60 mm. Diameter of the circle is 60 mm. So that 30 mm that I used to construct this circle, which is the radius of the circle, diameter of the circle is 60 mm. So that 30 mm that I used as the radius of this circle, I am still going to use it. So I'm going to use it because that is the length of side given to us. So let me call this point, let me call it point A, and we call this point, we call it B. So the diameter of the circle is labeled AB. So I will take this 30 mm that I used to construct this circle, I will put it at point A here, strike an arc, draw an arc on the circle. So draw it up and you draw it down. So the same radius, you bring it to point B, So draw an arc up and down. Okay, so this arc, the point at which this arc touch the circle, so I'm going to label this point. I will label this C, this is D, so I will label this E, and I will label this F. Okay, so I'm going to join these points together. So let me start with BC. So if I join BC together with a straight line, join BC to BC together with a straight line. Okay, so I will join CD together with a straight line, and I will join AD together with a straight line, Then I will join AE together with a straight line, and EF together with a straight line. Okay, so I will now join the last one, that is F and B. Point F and B, join them together with a straight line. So this is the hexagon. So don't forget that when you are given the length or side of the hexagon, so that length or side is what you use to construct a circle. You take that length or side as the radius of the circle. So what I did here is that the length of side given to me is 30 mm. So I use that 30 mm as radius of this circle, which I used to construct this circle. Then I take that 30 mm, put it at point A, draw an arc up A and draw an arc down A on the circle. So I repeated the same thing for putting the pinpoint of the compass at B and draw an arc up B and down B. Then we join the point together with straight lines. So this is a regular hexagon, a regular six-sided polygon. Okay. So the next thing I want to explain is how you can use your 60-degree set square to draw a hexagon given the length of side. So I'm still going to use the length of side as 30 mm. So initially I'm going to use my pencil to draw so that there won't be any mistake. Okay, so with this pencil I'm going to draw a line. So draw a straight line. So after drawing the straight line, we may not see it clearly, but I will bring out what I know when I'm done. So draw a straight line. So after drawing the straight line, so you take your compass and measure 30 mm. Measure 30 mm with your compass. So you can start and you take 30 mm on your compass and put the pinpoint of the compass on the line. Draw an arc on this side, draw an arc on this side, and then I will draw an arc on this side. Okay, so the distance from here to here is 30. So from here, so if I call this point, I call it point A, and I call this point, I call it point B. So distance from here to here is 30 mm, which is the length of side of the polygon, So let me make this thick so that you can all see it. So from here to here, we draw a line. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take my 60-degree set square. This is my 60-degree set square. So I will set this 60-degree side, set it at point B, starting with point B. I set it at point B, and then I will support the set square with my T-square, so that the line can be perfectly inclined at angle 60 degrees. So I will first use my pencil, draw a line like this, then I will turn it to this side. So turn it like this and you take it to point A, then I will draw a line. Okay, so on these lines, I will take my 30, which is already measured, which is already on my compass, and put it at point B. So it is 30 mm. So I will draw an arc on this line here. So bring that same radius to point A. So I draw an arc here. So I can join this together. You can draw this together like this so that you can all see it. Okay, then all right. So now, so let's call this point. Let's call it point C. So this is point C, and this is point G. Okay. So the next one that I'm going to do now, is that I will draw a straight line from each of these points. I will draw a straight line from each of these points. So with my pencil, I will draw a line to this side, and here I will draw a line to this side. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take my 30-degree set square. So look at the way I'm going to position it now. So here is it. So I put my 60-degree set square. So put it here, and then I will draw a straight line, and then I will turn it to this side like this. So put it at point C and draw a line. Okay, so on these lines, I'm going to use my 30, which is already on my compass. I will put it at point D, draw an arc on this line, and then I will draw an arc on this line from point C. I draw an arc on this line. So I can, so with my ruler, So I can draw a line that will be visible, which you can all see. So this is it. And then, so I bring it to this side and draw. Okay. So this is it. So this point, so this is my point E. This is point E, and this is point F. So I can join EF together with a straight line. So EF will be automatically equal to 30 mm. I don't have to measure it. If I measure it, I will still get that 30 mm. This is it. This is it. This is it. 30 mm. 30 mm. So EF is equal to 30 mm. So the angle here is 60 degree because I use my 60 degree set square to draw that line. So this line is inclined at angle 60 degree to the horizontal line. It's inclined at angle 60 degree to the horizontal line. So, and then, so the angle here is also 60 degree because this line is inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal line. Also, the angle here is 60 degree. So the line is at 60 degree to these horizontal lines. So this is how to construct a hexagon with the use of your 60 degree set square. The first one that we did is that we construct a hexagon given the length of a side and we use a circle to construct it. So it's as simple as explained here.